What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Show me some love. What we're going to be doing right now, I'm going to be showing you guys some things that I picked up at another Walgreens haul, kind of, and showing you some other things that I picked up at FYE. So without further delay, I'm trying to make this video short and sweet, so let's jump right into it. Oh, and I also will be showing you a fig that I picked up, or that I ordered off eBay. When I saw it, I had to get it because I had this figure as a child. I was recently in a collectible store and I saw the figure, and it was like, it brought back so much nostalgia for me when I was a child. I was like, whoa, I remember I used to have this figure. I used to love this figure, because you'll see. But yeah, let's just jump straight into it. The first fig, let's see, that I picked up, I meant to show you guys in a previous video, and that is the Dragon Ball Z Super Dragon Star Series Super Saiyan Future Trunks.
You destroy another future!
And that's pretty dope. I wasn't really going to go after this week because I had just completed the first one with the Build-A-Figure of the dragon, but this is pretty dope, and yeah. So now I have to get a couple more, and I probably will end up completing this whole series just because a lot of the figures actually look pretty dope. But that's the Trunks right there. That's the side art. Oops, sorry about the glare. There we go. Side art, pretty dope. That's the rest of the figures that you have to collect for the Build-A-Figure. That's the Build-A-Figure there. Try to get this light together, guys. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can turn it down. Oop, that's brightening it up. But yeah, that's the Build-A-Figure. And those are the other figures that you have to get to complete the wave for the Build-A-Figure. Pretty dope. Future Trunks. You see, he has like all together 3 interchangeable hands, his sword, and the head for the Build-A-Figure. Alright, so the next one we're going to pick up is from the Marvel Legends series, the Marvel Legends Spider-Man series, the Lizard Build-A-Figure wave, and this one is Prowler.
I felt like a wild animal on the prowl, so I decided to call myself the Prowler. The balance of power in New York City had finally shifted to me.
prowl. He looked like he on the prowl. Look at his hands. He creeping like a creeper. Creeping like a creeper. And that has the leg for the lizard. Build a figures. This is the back action figure artwork and the image of him. Let's show you the side artwork. Pretty dope. And this says about, oh, let me show you those. As you guys know, those are the ones for the whole wave, for the Build-A-Figure. I'm pretty much, yeah, pretty much almost done with this wave. Let's see, it says, plagued by memories of his youth and desperate to prove his worth, Prowler turns to a life of crime and allow a life of prowling. Prowler. Creeping like a creeper. Creeping like a creeper. Alright, so the next one I picked up from this series was another from the Spider-Man Lizard Wave Build-A-Figure, and that is Lasher. And as you can see, Lasher has the head for the lizard. Look at that tongue. Gene Simmons, and he killing Gene Simmons right now. If you guys know who Gene Simmons is, he's the lead singer of the group Kiss. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. But no, that's Lasher. He looks pretty dope. You see, he has a bunch of tentacle legs lashing out in the back. That's the rest of the figs. The back artwork, as you can see, pretty dope. The side artwork, I don't know. And let's see, he says, a sinister mercenary of evil, Lasher thrives off the power of the malevolent Venom symbiote. Oh. Oh. Alright, and so we're going to jump into the pops before I close. No, we'll jump to the last Marvel. And the last Marvel Legends that I picked up from this Walgreens, from this trip, and from this haul is Mysterio.
I summon the dark forces. Show us your master plan for this sullied world.
Definitely one of my more anticipated figures to pick up. I was pretty happy to find him. He looks pretty dope. As you can see close up, he has the skull head and he has the tentacles coming out the mouth. I was going to take him out, but I'll take him out in another video and show you guys a little closer up detailed view of him. But he has his little magic mist things to put on the floor next to him. He has the other leg for the lizard. That's the side artwork for him. Pretty cool. And that's the back artwork of the action figure to give you a better view of what you're getting into and what you're getting. And let's see what this one says. A master of illusion, Mysterio seeks universal fame as a cloaked villain with an unmistakable helmet. You're like, oh, you gonna know who I am. I'm Mysterio. Alright, so now on to the pops that I picked up. Pretty lucky. I found this one already before and end up finding it again. Still pretty cool. Maybe I can use it for trade bait to trade for something I want, because I'm still looking for that Eric Killmonger chase. I'm still looking for the Heifer chase. I want the Princess Diana chase. And I think that's pretty much it for right now. And that is the Bob Ross with Hoot, the Owl.
Let's take the fan brush. We'll start with that. And pull it through the paint. Pull it, wiggle it even. That helps. That helps bring the paint down toward the end of the bristles and gives you a nice sharp edge. A lot of paint on the fan brush. Look at that. See, it's a tremendous amount of paint. Okay, let's go.
Chase. Pretty dope. Like I said, I showed you guys this one before. That's the artwork. That's the top. And that's Bob Ross with Hoot and a painting that he probably has Hoot in there somewhere. But yeah, on to the next the next pop that I picked up is one that just kind of came out, just released. I had to pick it up. I definitely love this show. Definitely love this character. and I love this episode, and that is Starfire from Teen Titans The Night Begins to Shine episode. Pretty dope. As you can see, she has a rock and roll outfit on. When I think of you, I see the story in your eyes. When we're dancing. Okay, that's enough. The night begins to shine.
What is happening to reality?
Music is its own reality.
This is freaking me out. What do we do?
We ride.
From the corner, I caught your name in a conversation, playing hard to get. I can't understand.
Okay. If anybody saw the episode, they know why I was acting like that, but yeah. That's the side artwork for Starfire. Pretty dope, pretty dope. That's the rest of the Night Begins to Shine Teen Titan figures. I probably will be getting probably all of these, actually, because I really like this episode. I really like the fig, the way they look. Pretty dope. Artwork on the box is dope. And let's pop her out the box real quick and see what she looks like outside the box. And that's pretty dope. She got her pose going on. She got her pink Starfire hair. That's a pretty dope one. I'm pretty happy with this one. Pretty cool. Alright. And so, last but not least, I ordered something from eBay. Oh, I don't want to be giving too much information off of it. I ordered something off of eBay. It came in the mail. They have it wrapped in plastic wrap. So let's see how good of a condition it is, and hopefully it is actually what I ordered, because sometimes with eBay you may never know. You are taking a risk, but when I order for people, I usually make sure they have a good rating. So see, is it even what I wanted? I hate being patient, opening gifts. It ain't a gift because I bought it myself, but it's a gift to myself. Oh, that's pretty dope, because they kind of got it secured like this. And it's like on more styrofoam to protect the cardboard. But the plastic is pretty jacked. And just so you guys can see, I actually like this show. I like the cartoon that came out in the 90s. And that is the Goddess from Spawn. Pretty dope. She's a massive figure. I think she's like 9 inches tall. Oh, let me get off the thing. Yeah, there we go. Yes, I'm super stoked to get this. I remember I had this as a child. I love this figure. And you know, certain age you get to a point that, oh, you got to get rid of your toys and figures. So she was one of the ones that went along her merry little way. But she's back. She's back. Look at that. That's pretty dope. Pretty massive. And let's see it compared to like the regular scale figs. As you can see, she's beasting. She's beasting. She's 9 inches tall. These are normally like 6 inches tall. But yeah, these figs were pretty highly detailed. I like them. I love them, actually. Those are some more of the figs that you can pick up. Let me try to turn this up. But yeah, pretty dope. Let's see. I remember I had that one. I had that Spawn. Can't really see. It's for the most part that's it. But yeah, she's pretty dope. Her staff actually shoots out. Her wings move. She has real hair. She has a helmet she can put on. And that's the Goddess. That's the Goddess, man. Let's see. In alternate universe, she is the ultimate hunter of the realm of light. Her priority is to hunt Magna and Ninja Spawn, thinking them to be in league with the Temple of Darkness. She is unaware that both spawns are like her, fighting against the dark temples of evil. The Goddess ranks are the most proficient, as well as the most beautiful warrior on the realm of light. But not only is she pretty, she will kick yo. No, but that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about some of the figs that I picked up. Do you guys like any of them? Do you have any of them? Do you want any of them? Did you guys ever watch Spawn? Were you into Spawn? If not, let me know still. Like, share, comment, and I will see you guys soon.